बहुत अच्छा गा रही हो यार.
मगर दूर तुमसे हो गए. Thanks. Sunflower. You know what's special about a sunflower?
my God, hi.
Changes the light. Hi.
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 What are you doing here?
I was on a date in Mumbai.
So were we. But don't you live in Delhi otherwise?
I do. I
Arre wah.
flew down for a date.
Flew down for a date.
Yeah.
That's very brave of you.
That's very women in male-dominated fields of me. But I don't want to keep you from your date. So
No, why don't you join us?
really,
Yeah, there is a chair. Just sit.
are you sure?
Why?
She lives in Delhi. It's okay. Let her show us.
Thank
Sorry,
you
I-
so
It's a good
much.
time.
Thank you. I would love to, honestly.
Arey, but yeah, one second. sorry. But like, I don't know her.
But
Oh,
you,
please introduce
Why?
I'm
yourself.
Nikanshi. Hi.
No, I mean that's nice.
Yeah.
Arey,
This
but
is Ali.
that's,
I know
I'm
you. You actually crashed our date. Do you remember when you called her,
Yeah.
called him for something, and then he
We were
went
doing
on
an
and on
interview
about
and you called us and you started talking about, I don't know. Cactus
something
Sky
had to come.
recharge.
Some person had to come to your house
Okay,
to fix
one
something.
second. I feel like I am a second fiddle here, यार. आप ही लोग बात कर रहे हो? What is happening?
No, so we'll get to know each other.
अरे कुछ नहीं. दो मोमो खाएगी
But this is
बेचारी.
not cool. I'm discussing something with her. There's not even a third sunflower. Here, what are you doing? Sorry, I don't mean to be like
No,
rude.
you are not being rude at all. But I
Okay.
just feel like, and I know it's very hard for you all to finally find the time with just the two of you.
Yeah.
I understand that.
Okay.
But since she offered, I can't really say no. Can I? Can you
Yeah,
say no
have
to
a
her?
little, break bread with us.
Okay. I mean,
वैसे
yeah,
यहाँ
sure.
पे ब्रेड नहीं मिलेगी पर फिर भी एक मोमो खा लो.
Done.
दिल्ली के लोग और मोमो. It's a love story.
It's a love story. You don't have to be so mad.
Free
Come on.
noodles, है ना?
Free-
हाँ?
I don't know. I mean, do you want food or something? I can
I
order
just
you
want your
food.
company.
Okay.
And when I was actually, when I finalized
Yeah.
my interview with Richa last year, Abhishek told me, because I had initially asked for both of you, and I have that message which says, getting Richa and Ali together in a room, ये मेरे को ही नहीं पता कब हुआ था last मेरे सामने, so no. And
So
now
wait, so Abhishek has tipped you off that we are on a date here?
maybe, but did you tell him that you all are going
I mean,
on?
these days
अरे
everybody knows
this
our
is
schedule.
Bombay. हम लोग बाहर निकलते हैं लोग फोटो के लिए आ जाते हैं so you know where people are.
Yeah.
What will you have?
Whatever you are having, I'll just, sure.
पानी दे देना इनको.
Excuse.
हाँ, एक ग्लास में पानी मिल जाए please.
You sound so, you really don't want me to be here
No,
today.
I'm not. Sorry, my train of my thought was somewhere else. So I'm just धीरे से recalibrating to kind of have an extra energy system, suddenly present in the
That's
same.
okay. She
So-
makes for a fun chat.
I hope I do that.
I'm
Yeah.
sure, yeah.
और
yeah.
बताओ यार क्या चल रहा है?
I first of all want to congratulate you on your newest creation, which is Girls Will Be Girls and Not
The
Zuni.
baby. Not
that's
Zuni.
sweet.
Yeah.
But can I tell you, I watched the trailer. Can I tell you what I like the most about it?
What?
That whenever there's a film or a series about school ka time, it's always like glorified to be the best time in your life, and nobody really talks about कि उस टाइम पे, हाँ बाद में रेट्रोस्पेक्ट में लग रहा होगा कि वही टाइम ठीक था, बट उस टाइम पे इट डज फील लाइक द वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टू एंड. इट डज फील लाइक इफ आई डोंट किस दिस बॉय माई लाइफ विल एंड एंड आई विल नेवर फाइंड अनदर पर्सन, एंड इट डज फील लाइक माई मॉम इज माई बिगेस्ट एनिमी, एंड it's real.
So our film is released. It's now streaming on Amazon Prime. We are very proud of it. हमारी
Yeah.
पहली production. I think last time हमने इसके बारे में थोड़ी बात की थी. But yeah, that's what it is.
Thank you.
Thank you. No, we can have water together and we just. Hey, so our film is released on like Amazon Prime,
अच्छा, तो
and
मतलब
why
पानी
don't you
पी के
go
चल-
back and maybe you can watch it. Have you watched the film?
Not yet.
Ah, so perfect. It's in fact a great afternoon. You should go back home, like light up some, like few lights, get some popcorn, sit on your couch and watch the film. You have Amazon Prime membership? I'm sure you have.
I do.
Just
I'll
do
do
it.
that after,
नहीं, अभी करो ना.
actors पता लग जाते
Ali's
हैं.
whole focus is
Actors के बारे में you get to know.
Yeah.
But the producers and the thought behind it, you don't really get to know. And if I have this opportunity, why would I let it go? Would you let go of an opportunity like that?
Would you let go of an opportunity like that?
I literally had that opportunity because she is the producer of the film.
But you have
and
that
I'm-
opportunity every single day.
No, she doesn't talk to me about work. And this is another problem. And I've been, You know what? Actually, I'm glad you're here.
Really?
You might as well be able to solve this
Let's
issue,
do.
okay? Because I can't get through her, right? I try to talk to her, and like, no, we don't have time, we don't have time, we don't have time, we don't have time.
I
And we're
am
like
busy now. We have a 5-month-old baby
And
who
I
I
can't
have
even,
to feed
like,
and take
exactly.
care of all the time.
Exactly, right? Like, so I can't even say like,
पे
hey
भी
man,
जिम्मेदारी है।
demand it and all. But like, finally, so I have to kind of make that excuse कि hey, you know, आज यहाँ ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. Why don't we come and meet at Chin Chin Chu and like,
Chat.
you know, Chin Chin.
अली सिंघाड़ा खाओगे सिंघाड़ा?
Singhada?
सिंघाड़ा.
हाँ.
Water chestnut.
Water chestnut.
Yes, I knew that.
You did not. Oh, you knew that? Tell me what चीकू को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
I've had this conversation. It's called Chiku only.
No, it's not.
हाँ.
No.
Sushi को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
पहले मैंने पूछा आपसे यार, ऐसे वैसे 10th क्लास के लड़कों वाली बातें मत करो अपने आप को यंग फील करवाने के लिए.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Oh God.
Nice.
Ali.
So she comes to our table. She was also mean to me.
I'm not
Eat
being
that.
mean to you.
है ना? I'm just putting it out there.
I'm not being
ये आप चॉपस्टिक से ले
No, I
लीजिए
take
फूल
sunflower.
खा लेंगे.
फूल खाइए.
अच्छा.
इनको क्यों जा रहा है यार? मतलब हमने ऑर्डर किया है उनको खाना.
अरे खिला देंगे क्या हो गया यार बॉम्बे आई है लड़की.
Tell me what ना चीकू को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
I honestly don't know.
I know.
Tell me.
Well, in the dictionary it says Chiku.
Really?
Yeah. So technically we're okay calling it Chiku, but in some other language, है ना?
It's called Sapodilla.
That's why I said technical names, right?
Listen now, listen. What is your technical name? It's Ali only ना?
अरे मतलब ऐसा होमो सेपियन ऐसा होता है ना?
हाँ तो
The-
कोई और लैंग्वेज थोड़ी हुई वो.
हाँ,
नहीं
सेम
होती
लैंग्वेज
है.
में जैसे
Actually,
birds,
as a point, like a mango is mango
but it
in
has
English, but the Latin and correct name for the species Mangifera d indica, like that.
Hi.
What?
फिर से बोलो क्या बोला?
This is
एक
giving me
मिनट.
South Delhi girl, North Delhi boy.
नहीं नहीं फिर से बोलो क्या था? मैंगो क्या बोलते हैं?
Mangifera d indica.
So cute.
That actually means mango from India, because earlier mangoes were only found in India.
Okay. Je suis mango, je suis du India.
Yeah.
But
Try the rice.
she made you blush. Do you have a pickup line, cheesy pickup line or anything to make her blush?
I
Cheesy
do.
तो I do.
I do,
Give
but I
her.
don't want to share it with you.
Don't share it with me. Tell it to your wife.
Of course I will.
Do it now then.
He doesn't want
Why
to do it
now?
on camera.
I want to see if you are able to make her blush.
Wait, you do those date things, right?
I
Those
do.
date. So, like, what's to stop you from actually recording this conversation right now? Like, what if there's a camera around
Is there?
that I'm not aware of?
No, there's not.
I don't believe you, and that's why I don't want to like say all these things out loud because I feel like it happens, dude. It also happened to me last time. I was sitting somewhere and somebody just randomly came and said, "Hey, man, how are you?" Blah 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 blah. पता चला camera record कर रहा है, and that whole conversation is on the camera. Can you imagine?
आजकल हो गए
क्योंकि लाइटिंग सब लोग अच्छी करते हैं आजकल.
But ऐसी क्या पिकअप लाइन आपकी inappropriate है कि अगर बाहर आ जाएगी तो you will be.
Pickup line. I know this. Can I say it? And it's
Yeah.
by the way, it's probably never been done. So, woo,
Oh,
we,
we.
we.
She's like, what's going on? और बताओ क्या जानना है तुम्हें हमारी डेट पे?
जानना नहीं है वो इसको देख रही है भाई बोल उसको बार बार तो ये भी ले लो.
मेरे पापा ने बोला कि अगर बड़े कुछ देते हैं
Oh
और आप तो
my.
मुझसे कितने बड़े हो तो उनको डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते.
एक मिनट है ना मैं खेलता बच्चा हूँ ठीक है
आप कितने साल के हो?
मैं हूँ बस आई डोंट बिलीव इन एजिज्म.
You
How
don't.
about that?
Ageism.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't. But पैदा हुए कुछ साल तो हो गए ना, आप बिलीव करते हो उसमें या नहीं?
कुछ ही हुए हैं है ना. लेट्स से 12.
मेरा को उससे डबल हो गए हैं 24. अब आपको रियल एज आपकी पता है सो आई जस्ट लेट
आई एम
दैट
टॉकिंग अबाउट नो व्हाट्स योर मेंटल एज.
3 आई फील.
दैट्स इट. सो आई एम लाइक 12.
You
You're
still
fighting
older.
with a 3-year-old?
Well, I'm 12-year-old technically, so I'm like
still
what,
older.
7, 8, 9 years older.
दो
Well, you're not
दो
allowed to-
लोगों की लड़ाई में बंदर रोटी खा जाता है. मैं वो बंदर हूँ और मैं नूडल सूप. प्लीज कंटिन्यू और बातें करो.
कंटिन्यू नहीं तुमने बैठाया है तो तुम हैंडल करो भाई.
आपने
Handle क्या करना है?
आपने
वो
एक सेकंड पहली बात तो जो वीवी वू था she loved, she didn't blush. Say a nice cheesy pickup line, come on.
Okay.
Or a flirting line, whatever.
Yes.
Shall we go to the terrace?
Yeah, we shall tonight. Full moon night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Red. हमारे कोड वर्ड्स है ना.
That
We are in public a lot. We work together. We live
Okay,
together.
one sec.
We have a child together.
I have a question, है ना?
Ask.
What would you have somebody, or like a toddler, come up to you, a boy, and say, oh, as a pickup line?
Why would a toddler?
I mean, same age, whatever.
Oh, so you do realize your age.
No, your age.
Yes. You,
You know, I'm not even going on to me. Okay, this is the question to you. So, what would you have him say?
start with a compliment, like a
Like what?
genuine one.
One right now. Let's say an imaginary person came up, say, you know.
They are not going to rattle थोड़ी
I
होगा
mean,
हाथ.
you know, just for like
अगर
audience,
rattle हुआ
some
तो
people to understand.
हमारा बेबी तो अभी rattle से भी छोटा है. Rattle.
So, like, what would he say? Let's say right now.
Like ideally, what he should
Ideally,
say to
yeah.
make me happy.
Today.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if he can notice little things like.
I mean,
either
today that
my-
you're wearing these heart-shaped
yeah,
pink
like either
earrings.
or like my makeup or
So
something.
after seeing those earrings,
Yeah.
because he can't miss those big,
Yeah.
you know,
You can't miss me.
yeah, thingies, ear pe.
Yeah.
So what would he say then to you? Like, yeah, right now.
He could probably say, ask me if my favorite channel growing up was Set Max, and then I would say why, and then he would say, "Cause Deewana bana de."
Okay.
I made you laugh, and
Because-
you were fully coming on me with hater energy,
Okay, okay.
and you still laugh.
Okay, fine,
Not
but that's
hater
cute.
energy. He's like,
but like,
he doesn't want a crasher.
Yeah, but hater energy, Gen Z wala is fun only.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hater
not
energy.
Like hater energy.
So describe hater energy.
yeah.
Like, if I see a troll is somebody like if I didn't like what you're wearing
Yeah.
and I make a fake account and I comment down and I'm like, oh, what are you wearing and why is this and I don't like it and whatever. But hater energy is just like if I don't like what you're wearing and I'm discussing it with my friend and we're like, oh, maza
that's
aa
like
gaya.
hater energy.
Exactly. So it's not that serious and like,
Yeah, I think.
and we all do it. I feel like
Yeah.
about
totally.
anything.
So tell me about the 4 books you read this year. I'm very interested genuinely.
One.
No, she read 4.
I read
4. Wow.
Yeah, not bad.
The first book I read this year was a very, very interesting book. And I usually read very comfort, easy, romantic, contemporary romances. So that was a little bit different. It was called I Wanna Die, but I Also Wanna Eat Tteokbokki. Which
What is
basically,
tteokbokki?
it's a Korean rice cake
Oh, yeah.
dish.
Tteokbokki's.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, I got those when I was in the airport. I passed.
Korea.
Yeah.
When I was in Seoul, I was stuck in transit once in Seoul at the airport.
Yeah. Me too.
I had
Me too.
bibimbap, but we were not there together.
No, I know because yeah.
Bibimbap is like Korean sushi almost.
No, it's that dish like a pot rice field dish
Is
with
it
like
bibimbap or am I wrong? I don't know. I'm not very sure.
I'm not sure.
a. No, I don't think it's sushi.
Okay.
It's like a full meal with. I think they have one boiled anda on the side and it's like comes on a stone platter.
Oh,
You
I
like
thought a
food?
miniature version
I
of that
love
in
food.
Tokyo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't you tell? I love
Is
food.
there a Korean restaurant in Delhi?
Yeah, there are many, and in fact, Majnu Ka Tila has now transformed, and there's like a Korean
Oh,
cafe
wow.
in every
Cheers.
3 cafes.
Wait,
There's
Delhi?
like
What,
Delhi.
what,
Late
what do
night
you
we
have to
go
do
to
in Delhi?
Majnu Ka Tila.
I'm in Delhi. I live in Delhi.
तो तुम दिल्ली से यहाँ क्यों आई हो? वो भी इस टेबल पे?
यही तो मैंने बोला कि ये बेचारी दिल्ली में रहती है इसको 2 मिनट यहाँ बैठ के दो
2 minutes.
हाँ
I made myself home. You all are such a safe space.
I mean, that's really nice to sort of project out there. Yeah.
Even I'm giving a compliment even after you don't want me to be here. See?
No, that's sweet. That's sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we have actors who do that. Like they will, you know. Because we're producers. We produced our film and we needed to create a safe space. And
True.
you know, I think it's really important
Yeah.
for filmmakers to do that.
Yeah.
Anyone.
Tell me about the other books you read.
There was this one book I read about. It was called Playing Up for Keeps.
Oh yeah.
Playing Up for Keeps. Okay.
I don't know my name sahi le rahi hu because I'm very bad
Playing
with
for
names.
Keeps.
Playing for Keeps, I think, and it
Yeah.
was this love story between like this ice hockey player and this another very timid school teacher.
Oh, isn't that a
Right.
movie also?
I don't know if it
Perhaps.
is.
Did you see the movie instead of the book?
Maybe, because I don't think I've read the book.
I read the book. My sister recommended it to me and then I read it and then I'm on to reading its second part now. And एक और पढ़ी थी वो भी it was a love story only between a investment banker and a baker. So
Okay.
see, I have these ये
Wow.
बड़े tropes थोड़े वो वाले होते हैं जो मैं comfortable हूँ read करने में, which is why that I wanna die. So that book actually I wanna die, but I still wanna eat tteokbokki was basically the author went to therapy and with consent recorded her therapy sessions
Wow.
and then made a book out of it.
Oh, very nice.
And it's literally getting therapy in a book. So that was
I
It's
want
a
to
same
die,
book.
but I want to eat tteokbokki.
yeah.
That's
But I
so
also
cool.
want to eat tteokbokki.
Can I ask you, what are you going to do when it's probably a, I don't know if you've thought about it or not, but when your daughter goes to school and weirdly you can't control what other people will say, you can only hope for change, because it's a universal experience being slut shamed in school, being like instead of being like, guys, this is not what you're supposed to focus on, it's always like, why are you dressed up, or why are you putting lip balm, or why is this, because guys will get distracted.
You should watch the film.
Yeah, I mean, I'm really genuinely excited too,
You'll
because
really like it, yeah.
I want to ask you, what are you scared? Are you hoping that the world changes till the time your daughter has to go to school?
No, I don't think the world will change. And after school, there's plenty of time to
Yeah.
wear nail paint. And you were not doing this in school, na?
No.
No. Okay.
School mein, if I had mehendi on because I had to attend a wedding, it was like, why are you doing this? You're distracting boys.
I mean, if I could like vet all the teachers,
Distracting
yeah.
boys with
Yeah.
mehendi.
And you really, and you know, you were not allowed to wear these big earrings, which is obviously why this is childhood trauma showing maybe. But you know, studs allowed the. So I had gotten this whole pair of earrings which said Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and weekend. And on one random Wednesday, I was wearing the Wednesday earrings. And there was, उसपे सिर्फ Wednesday लिखा हुआ था, इतने छोटे से थे. And my teacher confiscated it and was like, you're distracting guys. And I'm like, पहली बात तो
Wow.
पहली बात तो तुम्हें genuinely लगता है कि लड़के ये notice कर रहे हैं, वो नहीं करते. Even if I want them to notice it, they will not. And secondly, I'm doing it for myself. So, and I don't know, like everything is very like, oh, you're distracting boys and you're doing it to get their attention. No. If I want it, I can ask for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's the part that terrifies me. Yeah. Because ideally, I would like to like vet the whole school, all the teachers, but you can't.
You
So we'll have to like, you know, get
You
some
have
hacks
to-
in.
Yeah.
We'll do.
Raise them well and give them confidence to do whatever.
Can I also tell you, I don't know if this is going to be sweet or creepy. It might be sweet to you and it definitely might be very creepy to you. But I have this very weird very weird thing where I give nicknames to
Yeah.
people, and like very terms of endearment. Like instead of Bay or Baby or whatever, I just like to call people Shonu Pai or Janu Monkey and random things that I make up. So when
Are we
you
going to be subjected to this?
no, not yet.
Okay.
But because when I heard when you revealed the name of your daughter and then you started calling her Zuni, and in my mind it's registered as Zuni Pai, because just because I say it like that, so it's like, because I call all my friends that way, जो भी उनका nickname होगा उसके आगे मैं Pai लगा दूंगी, because Zuni Pai. So
No, this is not creepy.
That's actually cute.
This is
Yeah.
cute.
Yeah.
Zuni Pai. I thought हमें कोई नाम
Zuni
देने वाला है.
Pai. I think I might have said it once or twice randomly.
It comes naturally to
Yeah.
Zuni.
Yeah.
Zany Zuni Pai.
Zuni June, Zuni Pai, Zune. I keep doing like some random things sometimes.
is there a story behind how you picked the name? Were there lists before, after,
Yes,
something like that?
there's a huge story, but I won't tell you.
Why? Because it's huge?
I won't tell you.
Why?
Because I don't want to tell you that story. I think it's a very sweet story. It's a personal story. Like, in fact, I'm glad you mentioned it because it kind of, I would want to talk about it with
But
her. Yeah.
but not her.
Not right now.
I
How does that make you feel right now in this moment?
it's fine.
Little, like it hit you, right? Like it just okay. That's it. Okay.
I'll ask her later. That's it.
Job done.
But there's the story behind my name also, because they weren't finding a name. And मतलब कोई ऐश्वर्या बोल रहा था, कोई कुछ बोल रहा था, कोई Annie बोल रहा था. And then my father found this Annie. And then my father found this name called Ekansh, which was supposed to be for a guy. But he was like, no, I like this name, and he just put I, and he was like Ekanshi, done.
Nice.
Which is why I was
Very nice.
asking.
What does it mean?
Ek kansh hona, to be a part of one.
Like to be a part of the divine. The
And therefore
divine
one.
Yeah, part of
Nice.
one.
Shall we move on? You wanna ask something else? I don't know.
Do you want to ask me something?
Yeah.
What is this date you've flown to Bombay for?
So
That's actually very ballsy.
I want to
wouldn't
ask
do
you
that.
ETD.
ETD is what? Estimated time of departure.
Yes.
My flight's at 9. So तब तक we can chill.
Flight नहीं अभी.
अभी तो we are chilling only, no?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. But date you were saying. So when we met last, I was doing Talking Stage, which was an interview setup, Gen Z, whatever. And now I don't know if you have seen Chicken Shop Date. It's Emilia.
What is chicken shop?
Emilia, who's a foreign host, journalist, she does these things where she calls celebrities to have a date with them. So because I was not getting any real dates, and Ali would be like, yes, I know, would be very happy about it. But that's why I was like, let me just change the format of the show and let me go on dates with people. So technically I'm here for work, but also a date.
So currently we are your date.
Maybe. Because clearly you're not each other's
So I'm
date.
right. You are recording this. You are recording this.
I don't know.
Huh?
We are each other's dates for life.
Yeah.
Are you recording this?
Yeah, you are
No.
recording.
Yes.
You're not.
There's a
क्या
Christmas tree here.
क्या फर्क पड़ता है? माइक थोड़ी लगा है आपको,
तो क्या हुआ?
तो सुनाई नहीं देगा ना कुछ. नहीं है.
बस
So nice. Are you awkward?
No man, I don't feel relaxed here. Like,
Why?
because you could be in a psycho film. Like
Really?
all
That
dolled up and everything, and
Just
suddenly be
make
like,
me laugh.
really? And that's like,
ठीक है.
it's freaky.
तो मैं नंबर दे दूंगी next time you are producing a film,
oh, you mean a horror?
horror, psychotic, whatever.
Actually, horror films have been doing well. But हमारी तो बहुत oh God, should I leave, guys?
No, she has a full violent side.
Not violent. I'm just happy about maybe being casted ever. Possibility. That's all.
आप जरा संभालें.
हम हॉरर फिल्म कहाँ बना रहे हैं? डोंट पैनिक. हम तो प्यारी
मैं
से
चला
एक मदर डॉटर स्टोरी बनाई है. देयर इज नो हॉरर इन इट. इट्स अ स्वीट लिटिल लव स्टोरी. आई थिंक यू विल लाइक इट एक्चुअली. It's
will.
about your days in school and things. Did you watch the trailer?
I did. Which is why I was saying कि इतना वो ये दिन बेस्ट है वाली चीज़ नहीं थी उसमें, because वो दिन बेस्ट है वो उस टाइम पे पता नहीं लगता है. तो उस टाइम पे लगता है एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है, which is like I could see that from the
Yeah.
because usually ऐसी मूवीज देख के लगता है हमने तो ऐसी स्कूल लाइफ नहीं जी यार, तुम इतने क्रेजी वाइब्स कर रहे हो, क्या कूल है तुम्हारा वो,
Yeah.
but this was very real.
But teenage is like that.
Yeah.
It's
everything is
awkward.
very extreme. It hits you hard. Like
Yeah.
yeah.
So what age were you when your mom said you could wax?
8th. Like it started as a hygiene thing, so you should only wax your underarms. Then it was like okay, half arms and then half legs and then slowly. क्योंकि उससे पहले होता था कि क्या need है, किसको दिखाना है. And it was never about showing it to anybody. It was just that. And बहुत
Not even about hygiene actually.
yeah. But वो मतलब उनकी तरफ से started off as hygiene.
हाँ.
कि वो underarms से start करते हैं for hygiene.
हाँ.
एंड बहुत बार रेजर मारा है पापा का, एंड फिर और वो मतलब क्रेजी एक पैच ऑफ रैंडम पैच ऑफ हेयर इज मिसिंग.
Oh God.
तो वो मेरी और बहन ने किया है, बट
Yeah.
It's
I
amazing
think
this
ये
is happening
हमारी
here now.
ये एक यूनिवर्सल वो होता है.
तो क्यूट.
है ना?
क्या था?
थोड़ा reddish.
Was it the soup? It's possible.
No, it's. I think your makeup कुछ लग गया वो more
अरे
red
आप तो
था.
खाओ, आपने ही वैसे भी. You should.
नहीं यार, not my jam.
You sure?
हाँ, because I saw you eat.
I didn't eat that
अच्छा.
yet.
I did.
Yet.
It's not bad. Eat it.
No, I'm done. I don't need that. I wanted soup actually.
और कुछ चाहिए?
For me to leave,
Bill?
but I might
No,
leave.
actually, I don't want you to leave because I'm a little worried that अब मैं तुम ऐसे ही निकल जाओगी without मतलब बिल हमारे पास रह जाएगा भरने को, which I don't mind. I mean, I'm just putting it out there.
बिल नहीं, मुझे लोगों को दिल देना है.
Yes, it's very nice, cute line.
क्यों लाइन नहीं आई रियली हर चीज वो थोड़ी होती है यार डोंट बी सो मीन आई हर्ड नाइस थिंग्स अबाउट यू
Okay, no. I've heard wonderful things about you. I'm just being mean.
really
Little mean. Yeah,
what
yeah.
what wonderful things I heard about
Like
me
that you know you like wearing these earrings.
No, I told you
Okay,
that.
yeah, you said that. You know that you would like for someone to come and.
I told you
Oh
that.
yeah, you did. Yeah. So
one genuine compliment you can't pay me nice
I think you're quite genuine. You have a nice style and everything, and you know the whole Gen Z thing going for you, and it's cute.
so
You
you're
know.
complimenting the generation and not me
No, it's going for you. It's like working for you. You know, like if you were born in 2070 from now, it would be a whole new ball game. You know, then yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
you know I have this
You think
can
she's
just
nice?
You
You
can
think?
just say that no, I didn't hear any good things about you or bad things about you. In fact, I didn't hear anything about you.
But isn't that already a bad thing for her to hear?
No, you can say something nice in the moment, which you just
Oh.
did, so it's okay.
has he ever done like a full on Delhi guy thing to impress you
What's a Delhi guy thing?
I don't know.
You know, कुछ
Well, I
चीज़ें
jumped
सिर्फ-
off Yamuna Bridge once.
for her
No.
No, for the film.
home
But
film.
I mean, I did. Point is, I did, and you were there in that vicinity. You know.
I'm just glad you showered properly, given that the Yamuna is extremely polluted.
You know,
Yeah.
I heard you talk about him, and you said that in one of something I was watching, and you said that he was dancing so stupidly, but you loved that he was dancing so stupidly,
Yeah, of course.
and you know, it's a nice thing.
And
You know, when you can do, when you end up liking stupid stuff about somebody is when you know it's real. क्योंकि अच्छा तो मतलब like we
Yeah.
are on our best behaviors all the time.
I think flaws make for interesting love stories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's a flaw about her you love?
I don't want to share. Why? Okay. Why does what's this thing about people sharing that validates everything for them these days? Like imagine, look at it this way.
Somebody who's single and is looking for love and who has your
I'm not-
your photos and your wedding content saved on my wedding collection for when I get married.
It's important for them to know.
It's not. It's important for me to know कि it's, for example, if you say
Like-
something, when I told my whole school thing and you were like, oh my god, I can't believe this still happens, and it validated that sense in you कि okay, we did something right.
No,
and
I
it
get
wasn't.
those are things fine, but like I don't know. Like yesterday, somebody asked me a secret about her or stuff like that, and I'm like, this is
Why should I give you a secret about my life?
yeah,
No, but
or
I'm
like
just
personal
asking,
thing, even if it's a cute thing. But wait, where were we? What did you want me
any
to ask?
flaw that you love about her. Anything. Like it doesn't have to be a.
Oh, that she thinks multitasking is like a really cool thing, but
Yeah.
when she does, she's like she does that, and
Is that a secret?
she
or a
finds
flaw?
herself very. It is a flaw, I
Is
think.
that a secret or a flaw?
Stop it! Don't do it. आंखें ऐसी हो जाएंगी.
क्या?
I accept you the way you are. Okay. Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah, but I just
Is
think
that
that
a secret
time
or a flaw?
because you fill up your time, and it's a flaw. I wish you weren't that multitasking.
If you could cooperate more, maybe I wouldn't have to multitask so much.
You know what? I
You
think
walked
this is a
into
great
that
date.
one.
Yeah,
You walked into that.
I'll leave. No, I didn't. She walked into this.
Please bill ले आए इनकी आदत है बिना बिल दिए चले जाते हैं.
तभी मेरे पे you were projecting your own thing onto me.
I love how you're not tag teaming with her.
Girls will be
You're
girls. Girls will be girls.
Okay, fine.
But thank you for letting me crash your date. And
You didn't eat anything.
No,
I
that's the
finished
fifth
my
one.
Noodle soup
नहीं,
and
नहीं.
you also didn't eat it.
माशाल्लाह सारे इसने ही खाए हैं भाई. Very good. 6 थे, 4 तो खा लिए. 2 और ले लो. Okay.
तुमने नहीं खाया ना कुछ?
मैंने नहीं खाया. I swear.
इतना तो भाव खाया
मैंने ये
हाँ बाप.
nice.
पेट भर गया.
I think the next date should be the two of you. We call it platonic date of annoyances.
Oh my god. No, I'm not going to promise nothing. Why?
It's actually better friend. ये सच में चाहिए फ्यूचर में ना हो जाए.
Yeah.
He's like,
No.
ये लौंडा भी नहीं है, इसको कुछ बोल भी नहीं पाऊंगा. I'll just be frustrated.
हाँ वो भी. Oh my
वो
god.
बार-बार पंच कर रही है.
Oh my god.
Punch नहीं
she's
हूँ मैं,
that.
fist bump.
You know?
What if your daughter is going to be like that? What are you going to do? Make
Not
shades.
daughter, but
not.
you definitely have that annoying younger sister energy.
So see, what will you do?
Have
Ask
you
her
seen
to.
those films in the Rajshri
Yeah.
films?
Yeah, that na?
हाँ.
Yeah.
See?
ये किसको याद है?
Fist bump.
नहीं वो उसकी यार
Fist bump.
No. And paper wins over rock.
If you think not going on a platonic annoyance date next time with me is your win, then it's actually your loss.
We.
yeah.
I'm better off. I'll find another restaurant with my wife.
And
I'll
I'll
have that
find
date
you.
because
I'll find you.
God, dude. This is
Anyway,
like
thank
so
you for this
long.
meal. Now I actually have to go for my flight. So,
Okay.
दिल आपको दे दिया है, bill आप दे देना. And these flowers are really nice, so I'll take them. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.
They'll die in your flight.
They won't. I'll give them my love and like
Okay.
because I didn't get any
Okay, great.
from him.
Bye, Kanchi.
Got you from.
And thank you for reading 4 books this year.
Thank you for motivating me too. Yes. But thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Can you get this packed, please? Thank you.
Oh my God. I'm not even surprised. It's just like yeah. And those were not books. Those were movies.
Those were books.
Those were all movies. She's watched the movies. Anyway.
Her loss then, है ना?
What?